It is a comfortable and safe transport hull for passenger and cargo pods. All levitation and guidance systems fit seamlessly underneath. Secure airlocks are at each end. Inside the hyperpod, passenger and cargo pods can glide smoothly at airline speeds right to their destination.
Hey guys, what's happening and welcome back to our channel. Traveling or commuting from one place to another has been revolutionized along with the revolution of mankind simultaneously. From 2 wheels to 4 wheels, the road to the sky, different vehicles are created and commercialized on a mass scale. From common cars to unique designs, the world of vehicles is rapidly moving to become more efficient and quick. Here are 8 brilliant vehicle concepts you have to see. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to catch up on more videos like this in the future. Number 8. Lazzarini Avanguardia. Italian studio Lazzarini Design has been astonishing the world with its bold ideas and original futuristic projects for many years. Avanguardia was brought forward to the public in the late 2020s. It's a striking 137 meters yacht that resembles a swan, which happens to be the company's logo as well. The yacht does feel like a beautiful bird on the outside. The head is a flat 16 meters motorboat capable of moving on its own in its standard position. It's fixed on a high elevator that acts as a neck that can be lowered to tender to the water so that it'll fold and become virtually invisible. It can also be raised to a height of 20 meters. In its position, the boat serves as a control tower. Number 7. Dream Chaser. Dream Chaser is an aircraft that's much closer to reality and being operated in real life. The Dream Chaser is a reusable unmanned spacecraft project that's been underway for a very long time since 2004. Its developer is the American company SpaceDev. Dream Chaser is basically a cargo ship that'll deliver the cargo to lower Earth orbit in the future. The concept of delivery ships is not new at all, but the model is radically different from its predecessors as it resembles an aircraft more than a spaceship. Unlike other cargo ships, Dream Chaser has the capacity to return back to Earth and be used again after servicing. It can also be put into orbit by almost any launch vehicle.
That Dream Chaser is shaped like a plane, and SNC aims to land it back to Earth just like one too.
Number 6. Flying V. This is the world's first passenger airplane with a passenger compartment located right in the wings of the airplane. Flying V is the project of Dutch company KLM. The aircraft was shown in the year 2019. The unusual shape of the aircraft was chosen specifically just for the sake of fun. The company claims that thanks to its unique design, Flying V is 20% more fuel efficient than any other aircraft seen in the sky presently. Such an important feature was achieved by reducing the air resistance. Curiously, the Flying V is multifunctional because both passenger and cargo compartment can be placed inside the wings. Despite the external bulkiness, the wingspan of Flying V is about the same as in a standard long-haul aircraft. Owing to this advantage, it's not essential to design a unique runway for Flying V.
The plane's cargo holds and fuel tanks would also be incorporated in the Flying V's wings.
Number 5. The Flying Ship Company concept. The concept for this aircraft was inspired by the Soviet ground effect vehicles. This term refers to vehicles with distinctive operating principles. The vessel interacts with the air in such a manner that its flow is reflected from the surface of the ground or water, keeping the hull in the air. This creates the so-called ground effect, which sharply increases the lifting power of the wing. Most engineers, particularly American specialists of the Flying Ship Company, believe that this technology can be further developed to revolutionize world logistics. The Flying Ship concept has received a hybrid electric propulsion system as well as a more advanced body with improved aerodynamics. Developers claim that this unusual combination has resulted in a reduction in the cost of production, fuel consumption, as well as emissions. Hence, the Flying Ship concept is the future of the aircraft revolution that can be seen clearly in the near future. Number 4. F-Helix. F-Helix is a revolutionary 4-seat electric propeller aircraft. This aircraft is not designed for civilian use, rather, it's designed uniquely for military usage only. This vehicle is suitable for patrolling, convoying, route clearing, and other important missions similar in nature. F-Helix operates in unmanned mode or with a minimal crew, which reduces the human presence and hence the chances of human life being in danger in hazardous areas across the globe. The payload is up to 250 kilograms or up to 380 kilograms in autonomous mode. F-Helix is much quieter than its predecessors and emits less heat, which makes it less vulnerable and harder to spot. It loses an altitude of over 1,000 meters, that is an area not accessible for many openings. This makes this vehicle safe and less susceptible to being hit by the enemy. F-Helix is undoubtedly the future of military helicopters. Number 3. Airbus Bird of Prey. Airbus Bird of Prey is not a deception, it's an actual scientific beauty of the modern world. It's really a hybrid airplane concept which not only has wings but also peculiar features just like a real bird. The Dutch company Airbus believes that this is how the aircraft will look like in the near future. The name of this aircraft was adopted after the reflection of this aircraft sketches in the shape of an actual bird. Airbus Bird of Prey is an idea sketched out of pure theory, but it matches the concept of actualization with key precision. The Dutch company Airbus is very positive and optimistic about this concept vehicle being a real thing in the foreseeable future and hope to bring this for public use very soon. Number 2. Spaceship Neptune. The wait for traveling to space is now over. On a 2-hour gradual climb above 99% of the Earth's crust to 100,000 feet, the spaceship Neptune can hold people and research payloads. Here, for up to 2 hours, it'll travel above the biosphere, enabling commuters to describe their stories via social media. The spacecraft then makes a 2-hour drop into the sea and splatters down. The spacecraft, operated by a pilot, would take up to 8 occupants on a 6-hour flight to the edge of space and safely back to Earth. Only 20 people have been there previously in the history of existence of mankind, and now many more people can travel into space and live the truly mesmerizing time that's beyond dreams.
Now, Space Perspective expects the first test flight to launch early next year from NASA's Kennedy Space Center.
Number 1. The Varialift Airship. Varialift Airships plc is a company based in Great Britain that designs and produces all-aluminum airships. Using a truly groundbreaking and revolutionary proprietary technology, Varialift has built and produced an airship. The design addresses typical shortcomings of airships and encourages to produce a secure, affordable range of heavy-lift airships built in bulk. A comprehensive study has been undertaken by Varialift to find a market for thousands of its airships. Professors, businessmen, and technicians acknowledge the Varialift concept as delivering the most successful model for legitimate large manufacturing special applications. This technology is sought to become a reality in no time, given the commercialization targets of the company.
Now, this is an airship that could pick up tomatoes from the tomato fields of Spain, where the crates had been left on the ground. They just lifted up into the airship from the air and then brought over to England, where we need Spanish tomatoes, and delivered from the air to the headquarters of the various industries that sell tomatoes to the public.
So let us know in the comments section below about which of these vehicular concepts intrigue you the most. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome, informative, and entertaining videos like this in the future. Until next time, guys, take care and goodbye.